All right, folks, let's get right into it. Today, we're diving into 3 smart money moves that can help you pocket an extra $300 or more every week. Sounds good, right? We all want some extra cash to play with, save, or invest for our future. So whether you're saving for a dream vacation or just want to build your emergency fund, these strategies are going to set you on the right path. First up, let's talk about investing in dividend stocks. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are dividend stocks? Simply put, these are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, usually quarterly. Imagine investing in a solid company that not only grows but also rewards its shareholders. Say you invest $10,000 in a company with a dividend yield of 3%. That means you could make about $300 a year just for owning those stocks. When you break that down weekly, you're looking at around $6. But hold on. If you keep reinvesting those dividends, you're actually starting to compound your investments. Over time, those earnings can grow significantly, and soon you could find that $300 per week isn't just a dream. Now let's switch gears and move on to our second smart money move, starting a side hustle. In today's gig economy, there are so many opportunities to make extra income on the side. Maybe you're great at graphic design, or you have a passion for photography, or perhaps you can teach someone a skill you have. The possibilities are endless. Picture this. You start freelancing on the weekends, maybe designing websites or offering your tutoring services online. With just 5 clients paying you $60 each week, you'd be banking that extra $300 in no time. And the best part? Side hustles can often turn into something bigger, potentially evolving into a full-time income if you desire. It's all about finding what fuels your fire and turning it into cash. Lastly, let's explore the world of passive income streams. Now, passive income means you're earning money while you sleep. Sounds dreamy, right? You could think about investing in real estate or creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Suppose you write an ebook and manage to sell it on platforms like Amazon. Even if you earn just a few dollars per sale, if your book catches on, you could easily see that $300 per week rolling in without you constantly working. The beauty of passive income is that you build something once and it continues to earn for you. So identify what you enjoy creating and start crafting your passive income strategy. To wrap it up, we've covered 3 smart money moves to make an extra $300 or more each week: investing in dividend stocks, starting a side hustle, and utilizing passive income streams. Each one of these strategies is designed to help you take control of your finances and boost your income. So, why wait? Start taking action today. I'd love to hear your thoughts or your experiences with these money moves, so drop a comment below. Let's get that extra cash flow rolling.